Listen to this. That's taco fever, and it's been keeping me up. It's 6 in the morning. She's never even had a taco. I don't even understand this. And see, she's like fooling you into thinking she's crying, like she's sad or something, or she's missing out on a bottle. But she's not. That's just taco rage. Cause watch, when I flip on the lights, Kiki. Your legs are stuck. Oh, no, they're not. She didn't do it. You say a taco for the camera? Ow! Mommy just fell. You say a taco for the camera? Taco, taco. She doesn't even like spicy foods. She had a pepperoni pizza, like a piece of pepperoni, and was enraged. And then I even gave her a taco once, and she just like threw it. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Taco fever also includes compulsive lying, because that's what you're doing. Yeah. Well, I guess I'm just gonna go wake up. But that's taco fever for you. It also caused you to chew up your crib. Kiara, quit.